Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. So the phrase for this week is Christmas related, as you can imagine. So one of the words for Christmas, which is a transliteration, kirihi mete. It sounds like Christmas, doesn't it? Kirihi mete. And the example I've got up here is rākau. So rākau means tree, and this is how to say Christmas tree. So in Te Reo Māori, we put the thing first and then the description after. So what kind of tree is it? It's a Christmas tree. We would say Christmas tree, but in Te Reo Māori, rākau kirihi mete. So you can do that like in our Ehianga Moi book about Christmas. It's a countdown book. We're counting and naming all these different things. So in this case, whetū kirihi mete. So you could have a look around this week with your family members, or if you're working in an early childhood centre or in a classroom still, talking about the different Christmas related things. It might be Christmas cards, kāri kirihi mete. Might be Christmas stockings, tōkena kirihi mete. So find the different things that you can to talk about the parts of Christmas and put the word there and then the word kirihi mete. So this is Christmas presents, perehana kirihi mete. Christmas hats, pōtai kirihi mete. And then the one I've got written up here, Christmas trees, rākau kirihi mete. Not exactly a phrase that you can just say for the sake of it, but because there's so many Christmas things around, it's a really good way to practice remembering the order of things like that in Te Reo Māori. Mere kirihi mete, and I hope to see you next time. Ka kite.